For making this simple, easy, nutritious pasta for baby, I have taken a cup of chopped tomato, 3 to 4 shallots chopped, 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, a pinch of garlic powder, cumin powder and basil powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of orzo pasta. This is my favorite pasta for baby. As you can see, it looks like rice and it's very soft when cooked, so it's very easy for the baby to swallow. Water as needed, a pinch of salt which is optional. Now for cooking pasta, I boil about 1 to 1.5 cup of water for 2 to 5 minutes on high flame to sterilize it, since it is for the baby, and then I reduce the flame. Then I add a pinch of salt. This will prevent the pasta from sticking together. Then I add the pasta to it and I keep on stirring it to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. And when the pasta is cooked and when it breaks when pressed between the fingers, it is ready to serve. Then I put off the flame and I strain away the water and I let it cool. I don't allow it to sit a lot, otherwise it will stick together, so I parallelly cook the sauce. I melt butter in the pan and then I saute the chopped onion and tomato in it. Then I add all the spices, the cumin powder, garlic powder and the basil powder. Since it is for the baby, just a pinch is enough. Then I add little water and cover it and let it cook. Once cooked, I add the shredded cheese to it, and once it melts nicely on low flame, then I put off the flame and let it cool a bit, and then I blend everything in my blender into a smooth puree consistency and I transfer it into a bowl, and then I add the cooked pasta into it and give it a stir, and that's it. My simple, easy, nutritious pasta is ready to serve, and my baby loves it, and me too. So that was a vegetarian pasta, and now I'm going to make non-vegetarian pasta made with chicken. So here I have taken a cup of chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of chopped carrot, 3 to 4 shallots chopped, 1 small chicken piece, 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, a pinch of cumin powder, pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of basil powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of orzo pasta and water as needed, about 2 cups. So first I'm going to cook pasta like I did before. So parallelly, for making the chicken tomato sauce, I'm going to melt butter in a pressure cooker, then saute the chopped onion, tomato, carrots for a minute or two, and then add all the spices, pinch of cumin powder, garlic powder and basil powder, and mix well, and then I add the chicken piece and the shredded cheese into it and saute everything for a minute or two until the cheese melts, and then I add sufficient water and I cook it for 1 whistle or until the chicken piece is well cooked. And then I allow everything to cool off, and then I blend in my blender into a very smooth puree kind of consistency. I transfer it into a bowl, then add the cooked pasta into it, give it a stir, and my chicken pasta is ready to serve. This is my baby's favorite too, and mine also.